let us look at this illustration first. This is the point A. This is the point B. And this is the point C on the x-axis. This is the graph defined on the closed interval AC. We can see in the graph that the absolute maximum value is at x is C, and the absolute minimum value is at x is B. Example, find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12 on the closed interval -2, 4. Step number 1. Find the first derivative. F of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12. F prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 10x. So the first derivative is the 3x squared minus 10x. Step number 2. Find the critical values. Equate to 0 the first derivative we got in step 1. In step 1, we got the first derivative 3x squared minus 10x. So we equate this to 0 and then solve for x. There is a common factor on the left side. Factor it out. So we have now x times the quantity 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Equate its factor to 0. X is equal to 0 or 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Solve for x and 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. 3x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0 plus 10. This is equal to 3x is equal to 10. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 10 over 3. The critical values are 0 and 10 over 3. Step number 3. Determine the function value at its critical value and at its end point. Letter A, the critical values are 0 and 10 over 3. These are the critical values we got in step 2. Substitute each of them in the given function. So, number 1, at the critical value of 0, this is the given function, substitute 0 for x. So, f of 0 is equal to 0 cubed minus 5 times 0 squared plus 12. This is now equal to f of 0 is equal to 12. Number 2, at the critical value of 10 over 3, substitute 10 over 3 for x in the given function. F of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12. So we have f of 10 over 3 is equal to 10 over 3 cubed minus 5 times 10 over 3 squared plus 12. This is equal to f of 10 over 3 is equal to negative 6.518. Letter B of step 3. The endpoints are negative 2 and 4. Remember, the given interval is the closed interval negative 2, 4. Number 3, at the endpoint negative 2. Substitute negative 2, 4x in the given function f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12. So we have f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 cubed minus 5 times negative 2 squared plus 12. This is equal to f of negative 2 is equal to negative 16. Number 4, at the end point 4. Substitute 4x in the given function f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12. F of 4 is equal to 4 cubed minus 5 times 4 squared plus 12. This is equal to f of 4 is equal to negative 4. The points are 0.012, 0.10 over 3, negative 6.518, point negative 2, negative 16, and 0.4, negative 4. The absolute maximum value is 12 when x is equal to 0. And the absolute minimum value is negative 16 when x is equal to negative 2. This is the graph of the function f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 12 on the closed interval negative 2, 4. We can see in the graph that the absolute maximum value is 12 when x is 0, and the absolute minimum value is negative 16 when x is negative 2.